Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa useyalele ungqongqoshe wezemfundo eyisisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube ukuthi agunyaze ukusebenza komthetho omusha othinta ukusebenza komnyango wezemfundo iBela Bill. Umengameli ucikicele lo mthetho ohlose ukwenza ngcono izinga lemfundo ngokuqinisa ukulawulwa kwezikole ukuze uqale ukusebenza kusukela namhlanje. Lo mthetho waphasiswa ngomandulo, kepha izigatshana esesine nesesihlanu zathukumiswa kancane ngelithi umengameli usabonisana nabathintekayo. Lezi gatshana zazithi sekuyimpoqo ukuqala isikole ebangeni lika grade R kwengane, kanti izikole kumele ziyise eminyangweni wezemfundo esifundazweni imigomo yokwamukela abafundi ukuze iminyango iphasise. Abaningi babethi-ke lokhu kuzonqanda amandla ezigungu ezilawula izikole. Phambilini inyunyana yothisha isathu yesabisa ngokuya enkantolo ukuze iphoqe umengameli ukuthi abeke usuku okuzoqala ngalo ukusebenza kwalo mthetho. Ne-SACP yayisabise ngokuthi izobamba ukhukhulela ngoqo wombhikisho ngosuku okuzovulwa ngazo izikole ngoMasingana njengoba ifuna ukuthi lo mthetho uqale ukusebenza.
In the application of this law, we must ensure that no language is diminished. Rather, we must work to ensure that all official languages are valued and promoted. At the time that I assented to the Bela Bill, I noted that a number of parties to the Government of National Unity and other key role players in our country had expressed their wish to further engage each other on sections of the bill that deal with issues of admission and language. Let us ensure that our children get the best education so that they can take our beautiful country and our diverse nation forward to a prosperous future.
We said from the beginning, when the bill was signed into law, we said there was no reason to suspend or to delay the implementation of clauses 4 and 5. We are happy that at last they have seen the light and the two clauses are going to be implemented in full.